Guys, wake up. Wake up. Oh, thank God you're awake. First of all, you look fantastic today. Second of all, we've got fresh tea, guys. Twitter tea. So here's the story, guys. 3 days ago, I came across this post and I was like, Jesus Christ, that's kind of nice. I was excited. I was like, this is cool. And then I took a closer look. This post is made by _AI. Brother, ugh. So my disappointment was immeasurable and I proceeded to move on with my ruined day. But now, 3 days later, guys, to my surprise, I think a lot of other artists felt the same way that I did. And we might have gotten one of the biggest artist protests on Twitter history in this post. Now, if we come down here and click on view quotes, you can see all the quote tweets that are replying to the original post. And what do we see? Some amazing artists. Oh, this is chef's kiss. And you know what? I want to use today's video to show you guys some of this protest that's going around and hopefully get even more eyes out there on the beautiful works of these very skilled artists. Now, just before we start, this is what's kind of weird, okay? So now I'm on X, the app, and when I click on quotes, says there's no quotes. So I can't see any of the quote tweets unless I go on my browser. What's going on here, Elon? Is this some kind of conspiracy? Do better. Now, one of the most telling signs of something being made with AI is the lack of intentionality and the presence of strange artifacts. So from my perspective as a semi-professional experienced artist, you know, seeing artifacts like these ones on the ponytail connecting to the musical notes, it's a very telling sign because a human artist would make those marks in a much more efficient way. You know, lines would connect. There would be a lot less of this kind of jumbled mess. Now, that's not 100% guarantee that something is made by AI. I just want to put that out there before you go and start accusing your friends and family of being AI artists. Calm down. But usually you can spot these elements, so just remember, humans make marks. AI produces artifacts, at least for now, as of 2024. Who knows what it's going to be like 2 years from now? we might all be dead. So on my feed, I've just been seeing post after post after post replying to this AI piece, and everyone's remaking this character in their own beautiful styles. You know, we've got some changing of the poses here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. I'm loving these lens flare elements. And it's so cool to me that every single artist is approaching this in a slightly different way. You know, you're doing different poses, different types of characters. Look at that perspective. That's the final result. Absolutely fire. And some people are even using the color scheme as an inspiration and turning it into a male. I love this because it seems like this artist has decided to inject a different type of story to it. You know, instead of musical notes, you've got a cube, the box. You better not be using that for anatomy. I swear to, oh my God. The artist just basically took the color scheme, took the kind of glowy elements and just turned it into their own character. This angel, got a whole bunch of crosses here as well. Could this be Jesus? I love it, man. I love it. This is what it's all about. Turning AI art into Jesus. And here's yet another gorgeous piece. I love the pose. It seems like everyone's just trying to show the AI how dynamic human poses can be and how dynamic human creativity can be. Go artists! I love you guys. Jesus Lord, look at them legs. I'm not sure, but I think this might have been the post that started this whole trend. I've been following this for a while, as you guys can see, because I've got no life. Absolutely love the glowing kind of neon elements here for the notes and the sparkles. I feel like compared to the original, there's so much more of a organic kind of human touch to it, and I absolutely love that. This post has actually gotten just as many likes as the original. God, you guys are killing it, man. I'm so happy. I feel like a proud father. Support the human art. Well said, man. And beautiful pose. Are you kidding me? I love it. It's so fitting for a music-based character. This pose, this almost kind of dance that she's doing. It's great. Oh, wow. Look at that. That one AI Miku drawing, except it's me and I'm a real artist. This is gorgeous. I love the pink color scheme here instead of the bluish purple of the original. Very, very nice touch. This is so cute. Mar said, AI did better, but at least this one is hand drawn. Also not my best. I feel like amongst, you know, beginner / intermediate artists, there's a lot of this feeling that AI is technically better than them, better than the work that they can produce. Look into my eyes. Listen to me. AI can take all of the world's most skilled artists' work and compile them. So of course you're gonna see elements that are super technically refined, but there's absolutely zero skill involved in that. It's almost like fast food. This right here, this is junk food. This is home cooking. Sure, it's not perfect, but it's you, and that's special because you're special. Special need. Come on, look how cute that is. Oh my God, the glow on this one. This is really inspiring me, you guys. Maybe I'll join. Should I join? But hey, if you guys want to go see this playing out, if you guys want to join this, if you guys want to support the artists who are doing this, go check it out, guys. The original post is by pon_AI. Now, because this is the internet, I also just want to say that I don't want anybody sending hate towards the original person who made this image using AI. You know, we're all humans, you know, we might disagree with the way we all live our own lives, but it's no reason to, you know, bully or harass someone because their views in life are different than yours. Which is also why, you know, I love this kind of civil protest so much. It's like artists coming out to support each other. And I think, you know, we've all been affected in the same way by this image because we all probably saw it and thought it was cool and then were extremely disappointed that there wasn't actually an artist behind it. That being said, you know, subscribe, like this video, go show these artists some love, maybe make your own take on it. Go check out my Patreon for monthly tutorials. I actually just uploaded a new tutorial on lighting, which is going to be super helpful if you're trying to render your characters or your backgrounds. And I'll see all of you guys on the next video. Goodbye. We have a new addition to the Sam Does Arts team. This is Remy the rat. He's about 2 months old right now. He's peeing everywhere. He's soiling my entire house. And he's been keeping me up for the past couple of days. Say hello. Hello. Oh no, he's falling asleep.